Discover 3 wonderful plants to heal wounds. A bruise, a cut, a burn, or even those classic scraped knees that children get from falling or sliding can have a quick solution with some great home remedies. It's always a good idea to have some of these medicinal plants in your medicine drawer at home. Remember, however, that it's equally important to know which one to choose and how to use it correctly. Not all of them are applicable in the same situations, and it's also important to be sure you use the right dosage. Today, we want to share 3 of our favorites medicinal plants that can help treat and cure wounds. 1. Aloe Vera to cleanse and heal wounds. When you apply aloe vera gel to a wound, the effects are amazing. This wonderful plant can be used to treat cuts, burns, irritation, and skin inflammation. The pulp or gel found inside the aloe vera leaf is made up of more than just water. In addition, it contains acidic mucilages, organic salts, enzymes, saponins, tannins, amino acids, vitamins, and a variety of minerals. Here's what makes it so great. The topical application of aloe vera gel stimulates your body's production of collagen. This process improves healing and angiogenesis, which is the formation of new tissue to heal a wound. Thanks to the findings of several studies, it's also known that this plant has therapeutic effects that help reduce both pain and inflammation. You might be interested to know that aloe contains alomodine, an organic compound that fights viruses and bacteria. This allows it to heal wounds quickly and without the risk of infection. 2. Asian Centella. Asian Centella is a medicinal herb that's used to treat skin problems like eczema, psoriasis, sores, simple burns, and even open wounds. This plant, which is very common throughout the Asian subcontinent, contains something that's also found in the aloe plant, saponins. Thanks to these compounds, it can promote healing and even improve circulation to stimulate the production of collagen. It's common for pharmaceutical companies to add this ingredient to topical treatments. One of its benefits is that it can stimulate the healing of wounds after surgery. 3. Chamomile. The European Medicine Agency approved the use of chamomile a few years ago. When used topically, this herb is very effective when it comes to healing wounds, treating eczema, and alleviating all types of inflammation. It goes without saying that drinking chamomile tea won't help you when it comes to cuts and bruises, though. Yes, it will calm your nerves and help you rest, but if you want to heal any wounds or infections, you have to apply it topically. In addition to that, one of chamomile's many advantages is that it's anti-allergenic. We'll explain how to obtain its benefits. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.